Welcome students, good morning. This is my new video of class 4th and your chapter is chapter 7, Introduction to the Internet. And today's topic is, that is given on your book page number 91, Basic Internet Terms. So there are many terms that are frequently used when discussing about the Internet. When we talk about Internet, then such basic terms we generally tell, like website, web page, home page, web browser, www, URL, okay, website address. What is this? So let us learn about some important internet terms. Website. So a website is a collection of related interlinked web pages that contain information available on the internet. It is like a book that compares of hundreds of pages, like your computer book, like your mathematics books. Books have a multiple pages. The book is a combination of multiple pages. Like a website is also a combination of multiple web pages. Okay, book is a collection of simple pages and website is a collection of multiple pages. So multiple web pages. There are millions of websites related to various educational institutes, organizations, businesses and government agencies. So many more websites are there, and you know that if you want any website, our school also have a website. If you want to then Gorakhpur University website, any sports channel website, any website, www.google.com, www.facebook.com, www.ddugu.ac.in. So whatever that, these are the website. Website is a collection of various interlinked web pages. Okay, and web page is a single digital page of a website, just like a page of book. If it is a page, so just like this page, web page also a single digital page of a website that contains information in the form of text, graphics, videos, sounds and links to the other pages. We can click upon a link to open the connected pages. That is a website, and there are various types of contents are there. If you click on any content, then you go to the next web page or next link. So this is a web page. Web page is a single digital page of a website which contains all that information in the form of text, videos, graphics, images. Okay, so single page of a website is known as a web page. Home page. A home page has a main page of that contains links to all other web pages. It is like the index page of a book. The web page is also known as a home page or the index page. Like our book has an index page, I will show you. That is an index page. All that contents, which contents is yours in chapter 1, chapter 2, where is that? If I want to move on chapter 7, then we have to go on page number 89 directly. Okay, so this is like an index page, web page. The home page is also a main page that contains the links to other all web pages. So home page is a like the index page, any very first page of the website is known as a home page. Web browser. A web browser is a software application or program that help us to open and view web pages and websites on our computer and other devices. If you want to open any website, any web page, then you want to a web browser. Okay, if you want to use a computer and through the computer you want to connect to the internet, then you first need the web browser. अगर आप अपने कंप्यूटर से इंटरनेट चलाना चाहते हैं, इंटरनेट यूज़ करना चाहते हैं, तो आपके कंप्यूटर में वेब ब्राउज़र होना ज़रूरी है. वेब ब्राउज़र एक तरह का एप्लीकेशन, एक सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्राम है जिसके थ्रू हम अपने कंप्यूटर सिस्टम पे इंटरनेट से रिलेटेड किसी भी वेबसाइट या वेब पेज को ओपन करके देख सकते हैं. तो सम कॉमन वेब ब्राउजर्स आर गूगल क्रोम, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज, मोजिला फायरफॉक्स, सफारी आर सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ वेब ब्राउजर्स. देयर आर सम आइकन्स. दिस इज अ गूगल क्रोम, दिस इज अ इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर, दिस इज अ Mozilla Firefox, this is Safari. So this is the web browsers. Web browser is a software or application program through which we can open any web page, any website. Okay, what www, World Wide Web. The World Wide Web abbreviations as www is a system of information where web documents can be connected with each other through the hyperlinks and are accessible over the internet. So what is a www? www is a world wide web through which all the documents can be connected with each other. Okay, if I say कि internet is the source of information, so how we get any information from internet? Because all that information on that internet are connected through www. इंटरनेट पे जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन है वो सब www वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब के जरिए इंटरनेट से कनेक्ट है. वी कैन ईजिली गेट एनी इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट, लाइक एनी वेबसाइट लाइक www.google.com. What is that www? This is also a web browser. www.facebook.com. So that www is also that world wide web. So who invented that www? Tim Berners-Lee. That person, Tim Berners-Lee, is known as the father of the World Wide Web. He invented the World Wide Web in 1989. इन्होंने ही www वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब को इन्वेंट किया था, जिसके ज़रिए हम इंटरनेट से रिलेटेड किसी भी वेबसाइट, किसी भी वेब पेज को आपस में कनेक्ट करके ईजिली कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, और उसी कनेक्शन के ज़रिए हमको सारे इन्फॉर्मेशन ईजिली मिलते हैं. Okay, so and are accessible over the internet through the hyperlinks and are accessible over the internet. So we can easily access any web page or any website on the internet through the facility is known as a www. And our next is a uniform resource locator, URL. Each web document on the www is identified by a unique web address called the uniform resource locator, URL. Like what is the URL of Google? So www.google.com. What is the URL of Facebook? Then www.facebook.com. So each web document on the World Wide Web is identified by a unique address, like our name, Raj Sharma, Raj Singh, Raj Chaudhary, okay, yeah, Sarthak Singh, Krishna Singh, Ashish Patel. So like that name, that Patel, Singh and Sharma is our title, and through which we can identify the unique person. If I say Ashish Patel and Ashish Singh, then there are two different persons we are talking about. Okay, so through that title name we get the persons, which person we have to talk about. Any title name से हम पता कर ले रहे हैं कि हम किसके बारे में बातचीत कर रहे हैं. सेम उसी तरह से www URL क्या होता है? यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर इज़ आइडेंटिफाइड बाय अ यूनिक वेब एड्रेस. एक सारी जितनी भी वेबसाइट्स होती हैं इंटरनेट पे, सबका एक एड्रेस होता है, एंड दैट एड्रेस इज़ यूनिक. सेम नहीं होता है, सबका अलग अलग होता है. तो यूनिक वेब एड्रेस इज़ called the URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Okay students, so that is for today. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.